Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how I got this gorgeous makeup. This makeup is super timeless, super simplistic, elegant. I just love a blush look. I love a bronzy blush look. This is definitely giving me everything I wanted and more. This is my updated fall makeup routine. I talk a lot in this video, but trust me, the insight is worth it. Everything that I'm saying is just worth it. Trust me. I know this video might be a bit long. I'm sure it is, but it's worth it, sis. So this look took me about 30 minutes to do. I feel like every single time I come to sit down and film, I just want to talk to y'all because I haven't been here in such a long time. But anyways, I'm back. I don't want to keep this intro going for too long. If you'd like to see the tutorial, just keep on watching. And if you like my makeup, like the video, you know, in the 2 seconds, just like the video if you like the video or whatever, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more looks like this. Let me know in the comment section below what you want to see next, and let's jump into the tutorial. I'm excited. Girl look good. Girl come right out. Like the video. So this is me, bare skin. I don't have anything on. I did my skincare routine if you'd like to see that. I'm in the mood to make content, so just let me know. But I'm gonna just start by using this. It's literally the only thing I use to moisturize my face. I feel like it just does it for me. So this is Aveeno Eczema Therapy moisturizer. So I'm gonna just take that much. I don't need too much. I feel like you literally can never go wrong with baby products. Doesn't it just get the job done, and you don't have to worry about any harsh chemicals because all baby products are made for sensitive skin. So this is literally the safest thing I could even recommend to anyone to put on their skin, face, mouth, lips, anything. And then I'm gonna go in and add this. It is the Badescu Rose Water Spray. Love it. So here for her. I already added lashes, and I'll show you guys those lashes in a minute. This is it. This is what I used. So I'm gonna start off by fixing up my eyebrows. These days, I don't do too much with my brows. Literally, I'm gonna show you guys and you're gonna be like, what? And I'm just gonna be like, yes. But here we are, some good old Elmers glue. Yup. So this is what I use on my eyebrows. I barely use an eyebrow pencil these days. I just feel like it's just so unnecessary. So all I do is that. I just slick my brows up. All my thanks and praises go to the drag queens. Do you just see the difference? Like, it's there, it's in the back, it's a part of the canvas. I love this. These days, I really don't even get into primer. I haven't found the right primer for me. I feel like it's just an extra step. With all the moisturization and hydration, I feel like my skin doesn't really depend on primer that much. But, you know, to each his own. If you use primer, sis, use your primer. I'm gonna go in with my Pat Mcgrath MD23 and my Tarte Shape Tape in Deep Sand, and I'm gonna use both of them. I just need to dab some under here. I feel like these days less is more, but sometimes I could tend to be heavy-handed. This is like the perfect tone for my skin, and as much as you know, people don't love to use their hands on their faces, I'm gonna do that. So excuse me while I disappoint you. I'm gonna add the shade that tends to highlight my skin, which is this one. I would hope. Okay, she's giving a little bright, so I like that. And that I'll be blending with an actual like beauty blender. This is the foundation that I use. It is from Naked. It is the Stay Naked Weightless 24-hour foundation. So I'm gonna just get a couple pumps on there. A couple, yeah. I'm not gonna go all the way up under here. No need to, because we added concealer to that area. So I feel like to here is enough. You don't need to go all the way up under your eyes, girl. As for my nose, I'm definitely gonna go ahead and blend this out real quick, and then I'll actually go over my nose with foundation. I'm gonna be using the Deep Rich NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I know you guys seen me use this a couple months ago, you know, when it was hot out. So now my skin tone is definitely switching up. I haven't used it in so long, so it's hard to get product out, but start placing it where I place my contour shade. Now that we're finished with that, I'm going to be using my cream products. The only cream product I have is cream blush. It is from Milani, and it is in Nude Kiss 110. It's a cheek kiss blush. I'm going to just press that in there. This little e.l.f. brush, and just pat it up where I would like, you know, a bit of blush. It's cute. Given, you don't want to use too much, just enough. So that's how I like it. And now we're gonna just like start working in our powders. We're gonna just set our skin with some color. So we're gonna be using Banana Rich. I'll also be using my L'Oreal True Match in the shade W8 Cream Cafe. That I'll be using is the Morphe 8R palette. Morphe needs to sponsor me at this point. Morphe, if you're watching, let's jump into this portion of the video. I'm gonna just stop talking and let's just kick it full speed ahead. So now that I'm finished with powdering, I'm gonna go in with Makeup Revolution blush palette, and I'll be using this very rosy tone, like really warm rosy tone, and I'm gonna go in with like more of a blush tone. So rosy and blush is gonna give off somewhat of a really nice dark blush look, and I'm so here for that. So we're gonna just, you know, powder up that cream that we used. And I really don't want to go back in because I feel like I'll be going overboard. So this is it on the blush. I'm going to go in with the excess product that I have on my contour bronze situation powder brush to just, you know, go in, bronze it up, add some more warmth to my face. For my mascara, I'm gonna be using the Lash Sensational Luscious Jesus by Maybelline. To just, you know, give some character to my eyes. Like, I feel like because I use like one set length, it's just not giving what we want it to give. And I'm gonna do some on my bottom lashes as well. Adding the Porefessional by Benefit Super Setter, the spray. It's a setting spray, and I'm just gonna set my face. So while I'm waiting for my face to dry, I'm going to be adding 3 products, my lip glosses. So I'm going to start off with this. It's a literal $1 lip gloss from the beauty supply store. I want to add the second layer, which is the Morphe Freebird lip gloss that they have. So this like adds a layer of mauve, like a mauvey tone to my lips. And then to get like the lightest shade that I possibly can without it looking crazy in the center of my lips, I'll be adding the NYX Lip Lingerie Gloss in Sable. Because, you know, we want to give dimensions, okay? And then I don't use lip liners. Sometimes I do if I want a dramatic look, but this is literally it. This is the face you get. This is my fall face. If you are seeing this, we are at the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for staying all the way through to the end. And I just wanted to know, because I want to buy some new makeup products for the fall. Let me know what your favorite foundation, concealer, setting powder, setting spray, lip combos are. I am willing to buy and try new things on camera and just to build up my makeup collection for the fall. I haven't dabbled in new makeup in a bit. It's been a couple months, like 4 months since I've bought anything new. So definitely let me know, leave some comments in the comment section below. If you like my makeup, like the video so I could know that I need to do more videos like this. Let me know what you want to see from me next, because your insight is super duper important to me. Girl look good, girl look nice, girl's gonna take pictures for the thumbnail. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video if you like the video, subscribe to my channel if you want to, join me, join the fam, stay updated with me. My social medias will be in the description box below. And that is it. I'm done rambling, I'm done talking your ears off. I'll see you cuties in my next one. Bye babes.